are three simple steps in the installing of a simple map. It is measuring of the space, the installation itself, and the installation of the small details. Step 1. You will need measuring tape and a pencil. Start with measuring out the space where you want to place your map. You need to know the height and the width of the wall. And then mark the starting points with pencil accordingly to the size. Step 2. When the starting points are marked, you will need to install the map. You should start with Alaska or Russia. For your convenience, the double-sided tape is already attached to the map. You just have to remove the backing. It will be more effective if you use helping tools such as paper knife. Place the map accordingly to the instructions. Here you can see how the paper knife might help you work quicker. Don't forget to measure one more time before you move on to the next continent. Step 3. Last but not least, you need to stick the islands, oceans, compass, airplanes, balloons, and boats. Before Before installing, you need to cut the double-sided tape with backing still attached. Attach those to your piece and remove the backing right when you place them on the wall. Remove the backing and attach the details to the wall. And here is the result.